Well, tonight we're following up on a story we first told you about last week. A construction worker killed in a row home collapse in Northwest D.C. Edgar Cifuentes died just 2 days before Christmas. His family says they still haven't seen his body, making this loss even more difficult to process. They shared their grief with our Alexis Wainwright and spoke about how they're keeping his memory alive.
You know, just remember him as someone who was kind-hearted.
A week later, and it's still hard for Carmen Bonilla to find words. Her cousin, 36-year-old Edgar Cifuentes, was killed when a two-story row house under renovation collapsed on V Street Northwest just 2 days before Christmas.
It's crazy to think that a week ago, someone I know just passed away, and it felt like months, passed. The feeling's still there.
As the family mourns, frustration mounts. They haven't been able to see Edgar's body yet, leaving them stuck in limbo, especially during a time of year where they're supposed to be celebrating together.
I'd say it's not the best time to celebrate, but we're together as a family. We're trying to support each other the best way we can. There's no time to actually sit down and mourn because it's just things need to get done, unfortunately.
The family is now focused on logistics, setting up a GoFundMe to cover funeral costs and fulfill Edgar's final wish to return home.
The GoFundMe is made to help my aunt with funeral expenses. Her goal right now is to also send his body back to Guatemala, to his home, so that his family is able to mourn, put him at peace in his homeland.
The medical examiner's office says that the family can see Edgar after he's released to a funeral home. Now, they had hoped to have the funeral this coming Friday, but those plans have since changed because they haven't seen the body yet. Now, the cause of the collapse is still under investigation. The family is thanking everyone who has donated so far. If you'd like to help, you can log on to our website. In Northwest, Alexis Wainwright, WUSA 9.